Hello and welcome. It's Melissa here, and thanks so much for joining me. For today's video, I get to combine two of my favorite things, antiquing and French country decor. So in today's haul, I was able to pick up a lot of vintage styled or old styled metal. And now when I'm talking about metals, I mean from silver, brass, bronze, you name it, I'd love to show it to you. And I love how it brings my home decor up a notch. So without further ado, let's check it out. So as I mentioned, I absolutely love to go and look for antiques. I love thrifting. I really love to find budget-friendly home decor. And nothing speaks more French or French country, that old world European look that I am drawn towards, than different types of metals. Bronze, silver, maybe a little bit of brass. To me, it's all of that old world feel. And so when I do find those, I am drawn to it and I have to buy it. And I really have seen a pattern here. I'm not gonna lie, I think I do own not even duplicates, but 3, 4, 5 times the exact same, I don't know, candelabra, etc. I just love it and I just have to have it, even though I probably own about 4 of them in my collection, and that's okay. So for me, I really just love taking those pieces and finding a way to make it cohesive, make it all be more uniform in the area that I want to decorate. So some areas I like to decorate would be my kitchen. I'll try to find little areas to put little vignettes together, and I'll try to group some of the metals together at the same time. But then I will also sometimes mix metals, and I'll have some brass with some silver plated decor, and that is a-okay to me. I do not mind that at all. Another thing I like to do when I'm kind of setting up my vignettes is I'll go and find maybe like metals that I already own in my collection, or like this candelabra that I had found, and I'll try to group them together where they may not go together necessarily, but because of the same metal, it will actually act as a cohesive piece of art. And then I also am not afraid to mix it up a little bit, and I can have different kinds of metals that really might have the same tone in it. You can add, with your candelabras, you can put it all by itself and make it a showstopper, but you can also add candles, and that's really going to add height. You can make it really busy, or you can make it really quiet. I guess that's going to be a word I'll use, is it could be a quiet decor, and you just allow very minimal pieces to say the words. And who doesn't love copper? I really love copper, especially in my kitchen. I actually haven't really put copper anywhere else than in my kitchen. Have you guys ever used copper anywhere else? If you have, let me know. I'd love to know some other ideas or ways to incorporate that beautiful metal, and it really speaks that French country. And then I just really wanted to show you some versatility, and that's something that I do a lot, is I will go around and have a piece of decor in one area or in one room, and then I am not afraid to change it up, and I will add it to something else to really bring up or play up a room or a little theme that I'm going for, like this tablescape. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, you will know that tablescapes, I will not shy away from them. In fact, I will go out and find excuses to make a tablescape and create a table setting. And I usually find one piece that inspires me. Maybe it's the centerpiece, or it could be the dishes, maybe the napkins, but whatever it is, I build from there and I create something beautiful. I hope these styling ideas have helped you to be inspired and try this in your own home. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks, and bye for now.